everybody, this is Chad with Fishman Flooring Solutions. Thanks for taking a moment out of your busy day and spending it with us. I really appreciate that. Welcome back to the Product Knowledge Minute. Today we'll be talking about ARDEX Feather Finish XF. It's a new underlayment formulated from a blend of Portland cement and other hydraulic cements that provide a smooth, permanent finish for a variety of substrates prior to the installation of today's demanding floor coverings. It's great for getting an extremely smooth surface before installing luxury vinyl tile and plank, sheet vinyl, VCT, and more. Feather Finish XF delivers quality on the job when it counts the most. With this new patch, you get the same trusted performance from ARDEX with new technology. XF mixes with water to a creamy, smooth consistency for easy application. Engineered around a self-drying matrix, all of the mixed water is chemically combined with the product itself. Using this unique technology, flooring installation problems associated with disbonding, crumbling, mold, mildew, and staining are all eliminated, thus preserving the flooring manufacturer's full product warranty. Some of the other key features include exceptional bond strength. It's suitable for caster wheels. It's easy to mix and apply like all of the other ARDEX patches you know and love. You can get a true feather edge, and when applied as a skim coat, you get 100 to 300 square feet per bag. If you have a large project coming up and you're shopping for patch, I'd urge you to check out Feather Finish XF. The value is in the self-drying technology, and not all patches have that. You'll be able to install most floor coverings in 15 minutes. If you need more information on this product, I included a link to the specifications below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next Product Knowledge Minute.